So for today, let's discuss about chain rule of the calculus tree with 2 to 2. So I have here an example on how to solve the chain rule with 2 to 2. So let's have an example. Let z is equal to e raised to x sine y, and then our x is equal to ts squared, and then our y is equal to t plus 2s. So first, let's derive this part with respect to x and y. So dz, delta z, that's a y. So we will derive this part with respect to y. So if we derive this part, we will get cos y, and then copy this because it will become a constant. So e raised to x cos y. And then if we derive this part with respect to x, so if we derive this part, the e raised to x is equal to a raised to x. Then copy this part. So e raised to x sine y. And then we will find the dx with respect to t, and then dx with respect to s. So dx over dt, and then dx with respect to ds. So if we derive this part with respect to t, so we will derive the t, we will get 1, then the remaining part is s squared. And then if we derive this part with respect to x, so we will derive the s squared, so we have 2s, then copy the t, 2st. Then this part we will derive also dx with dy with respect to t, then dy with respect to s. So if we derive this part with respect to t, so this part will derive the t, we'll get 1, and then this part will be the 0. So 1. And then if we derive dy with respect to s, we will get this 0. And then we will derive this, we will get 2. So we will simplify, we will substitute the part. So rz dz with respect to t. So delta z with respect to x, dx over dt, plus delta z with respect to y, dy over dt. And also another part is dz over ds. So delta z with respect to x dx ds, plus delta z with respect to y dy over ds. Then we will substitute this part first. So this part will get ex cos y times the dx dt is just to s squared, plus the dz over dy, ex e raised to x sine y, then our dy over dt is 2st. Then for this we will combine like terms. So we'll get ex is equal to s squared sine y plus cos y. And then we will substitute the x value and the y value. So our with respect ex, so this x, e raised to t is squared, s squared sine our y is t plus 2s, then plus our cos y is t plus 2s. So this will be the final answer. So next part, the dz with respect to s. So we will get ex cos y, then our dx with respect to s, and 2st, then plus dx e raised to x sine y, then our dy over ds is equal to 2. And then we will combine like terms because we will have 2 and the ex. So 2ex ds sine y plus cos y. So the x, we will substitute this with this. So our final answer is, we'll put this in here. So e raised to ex t squared plus ts sine our y is t plus 2s plus cos y is t plus 2s. So thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something. God bless.